Guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to test your applications, how to test your project. So I want to show you this Postman is for APIs. So you are going to test your application, not just MongoDBs. So many or your e-commerce websites or your uh, Facebook or your any kind of product. So you are going to test your APIs. So how you are going to test your APIs? You are going to use Postman. This one is there's more than 25 million developers are using on Postman because they are testing their applications. So when you have uh, your application and then you want to test, so you are going to just to download in your Windows or Mac or Linux. Okay, so you are going to download, and then guys, you see here how the people they're using and then to testing, and you see, okay, you see here so many people they're using these for API tools. So you are going to test your application, and then you see here on my web browser, you see this is a localhost a user to this database. These APIs I already created, and then so guys, and I want to how to use so these APIs you are going to test. On the here you see on the top, yeah, how to test and then how to see, and it will give you and then how to create a documents and to send your documents. So guys, it is so easy, just you download in your Mac or Windows or Linux, and then you are going to use it exactly same like this. It is a very good and then to download and to use it, guys. And I have a project that then I want to show you in my next tutorial. You are going to guys to see, and then how we together to test our project, and then you are going to learning how to do it. Okay, so step by step you are going to learning in my next tutorial. You are going to, so in this tutorial I just want to show you how to download, and then to just guys to, it is a very simple 2 steps. You are just going to click and then you're going to download, because I already download it here, guys. So that's it, and then I want to see you in my next tutorials, guys. If you are new, so guys, likes and subscribes, and then so last to create a big and this community, and then last you will never miss one of my tutorials like this. You are always going to learning many new technologies, tools you are going to learning, and then you are going to also how to code many things, and I want to sharing with you. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial.